In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to multiply in Smartsheet. Smartsheet is an incredibly versatile tool capable of helping you manage projects, tasks, and data with ease. One of the great features of Smartsheet is its ability to perform calculations similar to those you would carry out in a traditional spreadsheet. Today, we're going to focus on how to handle multiplication within your Smartsheet. Let's start by opening up your Smartsheet. You'll want to navigate to the specific sheet where you'd like to perform the multiplication. Whether it's for tracking expenses, calculating totals, or any other task that involves multiplication, identifying the correct sheet is your first step. Once you're in the right sheet, it's time to determine where you'd like the result of this multiplication to appear. Select the cell where you want the multiplication outcome to be displayed. This will be your target cell, the place where Smartsheet will show you the calculated result. To inform Smartsheet that you're about to enter a formula, start by typing an equal sign. This is standard procedure for beginning any formula, not just in Smartsheet but in other spreadsheet software too, and it signals to Smartsheet that you're inputting a calculation rather than just plain text or numbers. Next comes the multiplication part. Between the two numbers or cell references you want to multiply, insert an asterisk symbol. This asterisk, which is the universal symbol for multiplication in most spreadsheet applications, tells Smartsheet to compute the product of the numbers or values you specified. Be sure to reference the correct cells or input the correct numbers to ensure your formula performs the desired operation accurately. Once you have everything set up in your formula with the equal sign and asterisk in place, it's time for the final action. By pressing Enter, you're commanding Smartsheet to execute the formula you've just written. As a result, you'll see the product of the multiplication appear in the cell you initially selected. If you notice any mistakes or errors in the result, you can go back and check to make sure you reference the correct cells or entered the intended numbers. And there you have it. With just these simple steps, you can perform multiplication in Smartsheet effectively and integrate it seamlessly into your workflow. This functionality is incredibly useful when dealing with budgets, inventories, and any other tables that require mathematical computations. By mastering even simple operations like multiplication, you'll enhance the power and efficiency of your Smartsheet projects. Practice this process to become more comfortable with using Smartsheet formulas and watch your productivity in managing data excel. Thank you for watching, and happy Smartsheet multiplying.